Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the digital teaching platform of Nalanda Vidyalaya, Morvi. Myself, Raju Sharma. How are you? I hope all are you fine there. Today we will do first topic of our writing skill, and that is notice writing. This is the first question of section B, writing skill, and it will be a optional question. You have to attempt either advertisement writing or notice writing. This question is of 4 marks. You can easily get 4 marks with writing a notice. So let's move on. Notice writing. First we have to know that what is notice. Notice is a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. It usually covers an event, an inauguration, a function or journal instruction, and it will be placed on notice board of a society or school. It is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Generally, they are meant to be put up on display boards in schools or public places, which I already told you. They can also be printed in newspapers. So what are the things we have to keep in mind while writing a notice? We will discuss about that. A notice generally is a displayed sheet or a play card giving news or information. Some common types of notices are handbills, posters, bulletins, advertisement or circulars. Whenever you write a notice, some key points you have to keep in your mind, and they are: the ideal length of notice is 50 words. So only relevant points needs to be addressed. Don't write your notice more than 50 words. Keep in mind. Second point is present the notice in a proper format. So what is the proper format of a notice? We will do in this session. Try to write notice in indirect speech or passive voice only. Don't use personal pronouns like I and we. Understood? You can take screenshot of this. Otherwise, you can pause video for 5 to 10 seconds. Understood it? So let's move on. Next point. Format of a notice. First of all, we have to make a box. We have to make a box. Notice always written within a box. If you don't make box, directly your 1 marks will be deducted. Next, format of a notice. First of all, you have to leave one line blank. Then you have to write name of organization. Then you have to write notice, N-O-T-I-C-E, notice, and it should be written in a capital letters. Then we have to mention date of a notice. Then we have to write title or headline. It should be precise and written in a capital letters. After it, we have to write body of a notice. Then we have to write our signature. We have to do our signature, then our name and designation. Don't forget to mention your designation, we have to do signature, name and designation right in a LHS, left hand side only. While you are writing a notice, we have to answer the 5 W's. 5 W's, and that are what, who, where, when, what to do and whom. First is what. What is the notice about? We have to mention why we are writing a notice. Who it is addressed to. Where is the event? Here we have to mention the place of event. When is the event going to be happen? Date or time of the event. What to do? What is the general instruction for public or other students? Here we have to write the instruction are written related to our notice. Then whom to contact or get in touch with regarding the event. Clear? So let's do one example. Our question is, you are the secretary of activities club in your school. The annual day program is to be held in next month. Write a notice for the school display board in this reference. You can see the format which we earlier did. So let's move on the answer. First, we have to mention name of the organization, that is ABC School, Ahmedabad. Then write notice, NOT, ICE, notice. Then date, today's date, 10th January 2019. Then title or headline, annual day celebration. Then we have to start body of notice. This is to inform all the students that school's annual day function will be held on 10th January 2019. From here we have to mention the time from 11 AM to 1 PM. Where this event is going to happen, where we have to organize the event at Dev Mall. Ahmedabad Collector Dr. Vikrant Pandey will grace the occasion as chief guest. Every student needs to collect their passes from their respective class teachers. To collect their passes, please correct it there. Here we have to write THEIR, not THERE. It written by mistake, THEIR. Then left hand side, in next line, you have to mention your name, your sign or your designation. Your sign, your name and your designation. Who are you? Clear? Then move on. Next example. Here we have a question that you are Rita Datta, head of the music department at the Learners Dance School, Doon. Write a notice for the upcoming singing competition in your school. Includes relevant information, example, age groups, date, time and venue of the competition, sponsors, prizes and judges. Convey it in a maximum of 50 words. Don't write your notice more than 50 words. First of all, we have to mention the name of organization or school, the learners then school Doon. Then we have to write date 12th April 2015. Then title, headline, music competition. Then we have to start body of the notice. This is to inform the students that the Tansen music competition is being organized by the school when, here we have to mention the date, when our school is going to organize the competition on the 30th of April 2015. Then we have to mention the age group, junior level, class 1 to 4, class 5 to 8, intermediate level, and class 8 to 10, senior level. The preliminary round of our competition shall be conducted in the music room. Top 5 singers from each class shall compete in the final round to be held at the school auditorium. Here we have to mention the place of event. Shri Ramnath shall judge the competition. As per the instruction given in question, we have to mention the name of judge. Interested student should give their names to the music teacher by 20th April 2015. The winner in each category shall be awarded the Tansen trophy. So here our body of notice is completed. Then we have to do sign our name and mention our designation. Rita Datta, HOD Music, Head of the Department Music. Then let's move on. Next question. You are Arushi Rohan, in charge of the activity club in your school, the Royal School, Royal End. Write a notice about a fair being organized by your club to collect donation for charity towards the earthquake affected people of Assam. The notice will be put up on the school notice board. Write in about 50 words giving details like the purpose, kinds of stalls, timing, etc. Do not give any extra information because we have to complete our notice within a limitation of 50 words. Keep in mind that if you have given a name in question, you have to write only that particular name, or whatever the information give in the question, you have to use that particular information. First of all, here we have to mention the name of school, the Royal School, Royal End, then date of notice, when the notice is written on LHS, means left hand side, 1st April 2015, then our headline of a notice, then start body of the notice. This is to inform all the students that a charity fair is being organized by the school to collect donation for charity towards the earthquake affected people of Assam. Students are invited to put up games, food activity stall. Donation shall be accepted at the fair. Here we have to mention the details of our event. First we have to mention the date of event, Sunday 19th April 2015, timing 9 AM to 5 PM. Then venue, where our event is going to be organized. Venue, school playground, You all are requested to participate and donate towards the cause. For detail, contact the undersigned. Then you have to do sign Arushi, your name, in charge activity club. You have to do your sign, then you have to write your name, then your designation on LHS left hand side only. So clear, students? Now move on, next question. Our next question is, you are Dr. Rihanna, the medical in charge of your organization. Prepare a notice to be put up on the display board informing all the employees about the dengue awareness camp being organized in the organization's auditorium. Write a maximum of 50 words and includes important information like date, venue, time, etc. In the previous notices, we write notice for school. Now we are going to write a notice for a organization. So first of all, we have to mention the name of organization or school, the Belly Design Company, James Nagar. Then we have to write date 10th June 2015. Then our topic dengue awareness camp. Then we have to start body of a notice. This is to inform all the employees of the company that a camp is being organized by the company in association with the Maxi Hospital for creating awareness about dengue, its causes and preventions. The detail of the camp are as follows. Now we have to provide detail like where the camp is going to be organized, when the camp is going to be organized. First of all, we have to mention the date when the camp is going to be organized, and it will be organized on 30th of June 2015, time 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then we have to mention venue, office auditorium. Then we have to provide other information, important information. Attendance is compulsory for all the employees. You are welcome to ask any question to the panel of speakers. After the session is over, Dr. Gautam will be the chief speaker of the day. The details, contact the undersigned. Dr. Rihanna, medical in charge. Write your sign. Again I mentioned that write your sign, do your sign, write your name, your designation, left hand side. Clear? And we have to make a box for our notice. Now I am going to discuss with two topics. These two topics you have to write a notice on these two topics by your own. We already discussed format of a notice. Now you have to write on these two topics by your own in your notebook. Write a notice for the school notice board inviting volunteers for one-day blood donation camp to be organized in your school. You are Varun, head boy, Apex Public School, Cochin. Clear? Write this question and then you have to make a notice for your school. You have to write your name as Varun, head boy, your designation. Name of school is Apex Public School, Cochin. Now move on, next question. You are Sheetal or Sanjay, a student of class 8 of Dhanya Public School, Dhanya School, Vizag, Visakhapatnam. Write a notice for the lost and found. Notice board about your watch which you dropped in the school. You have to make a notice on this topic. Clear, students? So do it by your own. You have to make 2 notebooks for English in class 11. One is for literature and snapshots and the other is for grammar and writing skill. Now you have to write all the things which I told to you. What is notice, how we have to write notice, format of the notice, examples which we solve, and this one question you have to write in your notebook. Then you have to write a answer of these 2 questions. Hope you understood the format of a notice, and you got 4 marks in your final exam of 11th standard of English. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.